Thanks for clicking on my video, folks. Today I'm headed out to Caladesi Island and I'm launching from the Dunedin Causeway. I plan to go straight out to the island and then fish the edge line of these mangroves. However, things don't always go as planned, especially when the weatherman is off by about 15 miles an hour on the wind. I did my best to stick with it, but the wind and the waves were just too bad. It was time to come up with a plan B. And plan B was to get out of the open water, head back towards the marina, and try to fish in some of the coves that I'm not really that familiar with. The deeper I got back in here, the better the conditions were starting to be. I really didn't know if I would catch any fish back in here. I fished this whole area all the way back through there without even a bite, and I was quickly coming to the end of the road. I fished both sides of these mangroves, going all the way back. I'm almost at the end, and I'm starting to think there will be no fish today. But when I got to the end, the following is what happened. Big fish. Big snook. I don't know if we're gonna get this boy in. At least I got him away from the mangroves. Oh boy, he's dancing. This is a big fish. Boy, he's not tired yet. out first, me or him? Gonna take some patience with this guy. Tired yet? Oh, baby. Woo! Well, if you're only going to catch one fish, this is the kind of fish you want to catch. Holy moly. Check this guy out. This guy is huge. Get him on my lap. This guy is 35.5 inches. Guy fell for a topwater lure. What a beautiful snook. I came out to Dead Causeway today. I couldn't fish hardly anywhere because of the wind and the waves. So I came back here by the marina and all these coves. Didn't think I was going to catch anything. this guy recover good. Take your time, buddy. I want you to stay healthy. As I was saying, I came back here in all these coves back by the Caladesi Island Marina. I've been here just a couple times. Only caught some small trout. You know, fishing for about an hour and a half back here, I guess, and I thought, doesn't seem to be much going on here. And I just said, one more cast. How many times have we all said that, right? And that's when this guy exploded. I tired this boy out. There he goes, right under.